نويل حاونا نعسة تدا السؤال newcomers Center for Newcomers اللي سرح نويل حاونا نعسة تدا جزء خنبوينا.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Noah Bahlavi. I work at the Center for Newcomers. I oversee our youth department there.
نويل أب Center for Newcomers اللي سرح كم تزبلكو أبناء من إسياتي خا تناطي صفحي بوتا زلوا مالتي.
In our program, we work really closely with the schools, but we also work very closely with the police, with the kids in jail, in children's services, in group homes. And of course, I've been seeing a lot of Eritrean kids there. So what I'm going to talk about today is just some of the things I'm seeing in the school and what everybody here can do a little bit different to support your children.
مس أفتني من إسيات كسرح كله مس كالجري بوليس مس بيت مرتدات مبزحت زي هاي سكول right and child services كا بتفلتوا منهم مبزحتهم child services the fourth one was group homes yeah حجي نسو زبل دلو أتي زلو شكرات أب من إسياتنا بدك نازل رئيس زلو بتنسو معلت ديت معلت هاوزر يدلو أفسر حسي تتأجمات نحنا خابتناتو بتحد مرأي بت perspective كن ريومنتس كنقرنا يوابز دلو.
So the important thing I wanted to talk about is really focusing on the schools and building a relationship with your schools and then building a relationship with your children. Right now, the government of Canada, you can go on the immigration website. They talk about how there's too many people that are going to retire versus there's people working to support the pension plan. So they decided to bring a lot of people, whether it's landed immigrants, refugees, temporary workers, international students. Maybe since the end of COVID, almost 5 million people, they've come to Canada.
بتمن أفتني من قصي نا كندا ويب سايت كيدكم كتريوات خليهم كم هاجر كندا حزب واحد سلزلوا مركعتهم عبيت اندابزو حزتهم سينيورز تبعلو مالتي اندابزو هي خلو سلزلوا حجتهم نايس قطري سرحتنياتات مناسي يزخونو سبات وحدو سلزلوا that's why I'm بزح immigrant دتو كاب كوفيد ندحرسي 5 مليون أستاذ 5 مليون زخون حزبس منست كندا يجيلو.
So because there's so many people coming, there's a lot of children in the school system now. Something between 30,000, 40,000 children, they moved to Calgary the last 2-3 years. That's all Calgary, that's 20% increase the number of kids. There's not enough schools, there's not enough teachers, there's not enough English teaching available now.
بسين كزخاني بزحات إرتران حبش أولعت يمتوا له كثلاثة كسب 14 زخونس أبزوش تخلط عمل سمت يوم الله which is 10% مالتيو بخومز تل على خاني بزحات ممهران تمرت بيتاتي تسبب له ممهراني وحدو له تقاوم بإنجليش إكستراز هو زنبرو تاريخ مدرجة حج دكنا أكت meanwhile كاس دكنا يشكروا له مالتيو.
So in the schools, because there's not enough English spaces, every school in Alberta, they give them only 30 seats for English learning. There's some schools, especially Forest Lawn, Marlborough, the schools, they have over 100 children from Ukraine, from Eritrea, from Ethiopia, from Sudan, Mitsum. They don't have enough teachers for them. And then the teachers, they don't have training to be English teacher. They just pick whatever teacher is available. So the kids are not getting a good experience. And if you can't learn English, once you get to high school, you can't take the -1 level classes. And if you can't take that level, you cannot go to university, you cannot go to trades pathways.
جدك ناس معرفة اللي يشجروا خمسة لو يتفوكس عفتهم قلتين بحال ترديكم مالو ما بزحت أخاتهم من أسياتها بهاي سكول زلوا مالتيو حجتهم ممهران سي بزحنا إنجليش قانقا نخبوس ترين تجبر يكونوا لحد نسال أحد بيت مرت ماكسيمم 3 قلتينو كإكسترا كمهر إكسترا كلاس ناي إنجليش مالتيو أرت بيت مرت كن ساعة ستات ميت زخون قلتيهم زمتو زلوا حجي اتنامبر سي كستاي تقطرس كستاي جبريل لأنمو كموس لزخون هاتهم قلت عند حد أقام بإنجليش تزيكي إلون نتسمرتهم مهروي كلونيوم so high school كأتوي كلونيوم اتداش 10 level دبحال كأك مهروي كلونيوم which means إن university هون college كخلوس أي كلونا لهم مالتي.
So what I'm seeing at my work now, because those kids they can't get the level they need, and then in Alberta again, you have to go to the grade of your age. So if you left back home grade 1. and then you spend 5 years Khartoum, and then you come here grade 7, you have to go grade 7. They don't care how much school you've done. And then I guarantee you they do not have a system to catch everybody up because there's so many people coming. So those are the kids, they get through. The other issue they have, you cannot fail and repeat the grade. Once you finish a grade, you have to go to the next grade, no matter what, even if you get 0 every class. So you have kids, they just fail all the way out. Once you hit 19, you have to pay for school. They won't pay for your school anymore. And then you used to be able to go Bow Valley. If you saw online Bow Valley now, they're closing their English school starting Tuesday. So there's not a lot of options now for those kids to get caught up.
ሓደ ነገር ከአንፈልጥ ወደለና ለናይዝ ካናዳ ሲስተም ማለት ሕጂ ኣብ ዓድና ህና ክንመሃር ከለና ሲ እንድሕር ተሪፍና እንድሕር ጽቡቅ ነጥብ ደንጸና ክንደግሞ ንኽእልና ነቲ ክላስ ወይም ድማ ሌቨል ደረጃ ናይ ትምህርቲ ፍልጠት ሒዝና ዘለና ኢና ዳ እምበር ብዕድመ ይኮነን ኣብዚ ዓዲ ግን እንድሕር ወዲ 12 ዓመት ቆልዓ መፅዩ which is ሻድሻይ ተባዓይ ገለዮም ይኮን ዘሎ ዳቱ በታ ዕድሜዮም እዮም ዳደትዎ እምበር እንድሕር ኣብ ስደት ዓድታት 7 ዓመት ዝቆልዓ እንድሕር ኣብ ካምፕ ነይሩ ደይ ተማሃረ እሳቶም ኣይክድሶምን እዩ በታ ዕድሜዮም እዮም ዘእትዎ ክኸውን ከሎ ሕጂ ትቆልዓ ወላ ሓንቲ ነገር ኣይፈልጥን እዩ ከም ደም ቆሮ ኢና ንሱ ሓስባ ማለት እዩ ትቆልዓ እኮ ሓደ ስማርት ቆልዓ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ግን ብኸምኡ ስለ ዝኾነ እቲ ሲስተም ናይ ዝዓዲ ነቲ ቆልዓኻ ኣይ ቲንክ ቀደም ቅድሚ 15 ዓመት ከለው ገለ እቲ ምስ ዋሕዲ ሰብ ዝነበረ ነቶም ቆልዑት ይህብዎም ነይሮም ኤክስትራ ክላስ ካች አፕ ንኽገብሩ ይሕግዝዎም ነይሮም እዮም ሕጂ ግን ከም ተቐዲሙ ዝገለጹ ዝራፍ ማለት እዩ ነቶም ቆልዑት ኣይግደስሎም እዮም ምክንያቱ የብሎምን ከዓ ዓቕሚ ሰራሕተኛታት የብሎም መምሃራን የብሎምን ስለዚ እቶም ቆልዑት እዮም ዝሽገሩ ዘሎ ዝብሎ ዘሎ ሲ ኩሉ ግዜ እንዛረበሉን ኢና እዚ ክብል ከለኹስ ምስ ብዙሕ ሓላፍነት ክትሰምዑ ይደልየኩም ብፍላይ ቴና ኣዴታት ማለት እዩ ምክንያቱ መብዛሕትና ኣዴታት ስለ ዝኾና ዘለና ሰቦት ኣይመፅን እምበር ኣቦታት ንበልኩ ሕጂ እቶም ደቅና እዮም በትናቶም መርኣይ ዕንቲ ጌርና በትናቶም ፐርስፔክቲቭ ወይ በትናቶም ቦታ ኣብ ጫሞም ኣቲና ክንሪኦ ደስ ዝበለኒ ምክንያቱ እትዮም ቆልዑት ብጣዕሚ እዮም ዝሽገሩ ዘለዉ ኣብዚ ዓዲ እንድሕር ትምህርቲ ዘይተማሃርካ ቋንቋ እንድሕር ዘይተማሃርካ ዝኾነ ሰርቲፊኬት እንተዘይብልካስ ኩልና ንፈልጦ ኢና ኣይጠፋእናን ግን መንእሰያት ኮይኖም ከዓ ናይ ሃይ ስኩል ወረቐት እንድሕር ደይብሎ ብጣዕሚ እዮም ዝሽገሩ ምዝ ዘሎ ናይ ስራሕ ምስኣን ከዓኒ ዘሎ ስራሕ ከማን ክረኽቡ ይክእሉን እዮም ሕጂ ምስቲ ግዜ ፍሪ ነፃ ግዜ ዘለዎም እንታይ እዮም ዝኾኑ ናብ ሕማቕ ነገር እዮም ድዋፈሩ ዘሎ ፈትዮም ዘይኮነሲ ይመፆም ኣሎ ትሽግር በዓል ኢዝሊ እዮም ሪክሩት ትገብርዎም ሪክሩት እንታይ ዝበሃል ሞ ይቆጥርዎም ኣለዉ በቃ ኣብ ዝኾነ ቦታ ረኺቦም ሲ ቆልዓ ገንዘብ ሲኢሉ እንድሕር ስኢሉ ዕንክሊ ልብል ኣሎ ሓደ መንእሰይ ሲ ቴሌፎን ክንበካ ጫማ ጆርዳን ክንገዝኣልካ ንዓ ስራቕ ከምዚ ቦታ ኣቲኻ ወይ ድራግ ኣብ ዝብፅሕ ይብልዎም ኣለዉ ማለት እዩ ብቐሊሉ ብከምዚስ ሪክሩት እንዳገበሩ ሲ ደቅና ሲ ብዘገርም ዓይነት ቁፅሪ እዮም ኣብ ሕማቕ ነገር ድዋፈሩ ዘለዉ ማለት እዩ ኣብዚኣ ንዛረበላ ዘለና ሰዓት ሲ ሓደ ቆልዓ ምናልባት ገለ ነገር የጋጥሙ ኣለኹም እዩ ሶ ብከምዚ ዓይነት ክብደት ክትሪእዎ ኣነ ደስ ዝብለና ኣደ ስለዝኾን ከይዱ ውስኽ ዘሎ ካብትናቱ ግዜ ንሕና ደቅና ጥራይካ ኣይኮነን ደቂ መሓዛና ደቂ ሓውና ጎረቤትና ኩሎም ናይ ኩሎም ስግዲ ክብለና ኣለዎ እዚ ሓደራ ክብለኩም ደሊ
So already I understand to find work, to find housing, to pay your bills, to learn English yourself, you're doing very busy. You're extremely busy. But the most important thing is when you think of life, Kabadi, no one is outside looking to take your kids like this. It's specifically here. And they're looking for your kids because they know they're struggling. So it's very important to spend time with your kids, speak to them, get to know them. Who are their friends? If they say, I'm at this person's house, where do they live? Who are their parents? Can I get to meet them? Build that relationship because it's really, really important that if you're not involved, somebody else will try to be their parent for them and guide them the wrong way. And it's really important if you know they're struggling in school, call the school. Ask the teacher, can I meet you with you? What are they struggling with? What can I do at home? If you don't feel confident in English, they have to give you a translator. Push them. If they say we don't have translator available, complain. They have to give you translator. Don't use your children. And if your kids, number one, if they get in trouble, whether the school or the police, do not allow your child to be your translator. They're not going to be honest or they're going to say something different. You have to ask. Legally, they have to provide it if you have to push them.
So ናይ ዝኩሉ መፍትሒ ዝኸውን ደቅና ግዜ ብምሃብን እቲ ዝኾንዎ ደሎ ኣካይዶም ብምዕዛብን ብምክትታልን ትምህርቲ ቤት እንታይ ይውዕሉ መዋዕልቶም መን እዩ ከመይ ኣሎ ነገራት ክንፈልጥ ስናሃና ሓላፍነት እዩ ያረዱ እዩ ዝዓዲ ኩሉ ሰብ ቢዚ እዩ ናይ ባዕልኻ ብዙሕ ስትረስ ኣለካ ብዙሕ ቢል ኣሎ ናብትን ክትጎይ ኣለካ ግን كسع ولدنا يترف كن عاتهم قدام النتيبنا priority ناسي ندك ناسي عمرنا توتن جبر لنا دحر مسكونه خاد نتعس مالتي حجة أبيت مرت مستوى مهارانو communicate مقبار إيميل نصحح شجر انترلوسي كتفلت تخونكم سي أبيت مرتي مو على مستوى مهارانو مستزارروي قام أخمان أنت زيك إلكم شكر كخوني بلون مخنياتو ترجم تسلزر دالو حج بعلو تبيت مرتسي اللوم ترجم ما يدلي الكاتراي تناد كامسر كافديد كمحتاج رأيو كبهاتكم زد اللي مالتي بدأكم أنت ترجمون مخنياتو أبشكر أتم نحد عنا بوليس بدأ يزبط حوينو إن حودكم ترجم لكم مالو قلت قينو نقربكم سلزيك ويودكم ويقالكم مالتي سلزي ترجمي يدلي بلو كي تسكفكم.
And the last thing I'm going to talk about is pushing them to go to programming. So feel free, I know there's a few booths here if you want to connect with Dani. I know Jonas is here as well, I'm here. If you want to know about what programs are available, we have there's free tutoring, a lot of places offer it. They have free counseling, they do family support. It's important to reach out and just encourage your kids, whether sports, art, painting, anything, so that they're just in a space with other people. I know one of the challenges we have is when we ask kids to go play sports, and then we have a lot of families whether from Asia, from Africa, they say the kids, they play outside. Why do I need to pay for sports? Go outside, you don't see kids. They're not meeting with each other. Just to encourage them to go meet people, and then they practice English, they meet other kids from different countries. It just helps them to get adjusted, and you know they're somewhere safe. They're not out there with anybody being pushing them the wrong way.
هذا كم مفتوح وتكمل من خلالك بزح برنامجات الله وحجي نمان أساس نحب دعنات أجزيه بكاسي نقلعت مالتي تحت 10 شمعة تزلوا قلعت اليوم نخانو دلوا وياب تليفونهم نحن ما أنا قربك أتذكرت يوم مالتي حجي تجزي أمسي occupied مكبار busy مكبار بactivity تاعتالو أبزون الله وحواتنا بزح برنامجات بزيني settlement centerاتي نمان أساس تواحد زدالو برنامجات الله أو كخدوس push مكبار يرداني من teenagers مسكون أول بأشجار يسبورتس أبز خمسة كتب لهم ناتهم دليتات لزلهم ويقول حد ولد خان تايم اليوم أبعد ناسي دقوتي نينا كرشون تعطيه ما زعدن كتكفلوا لك كرشون دي باسكت تخونسي كفيل كاي توم نقولت activity مالتي حجن السخاني وجا خفينا دخيلنا بتزفت وتقولون أنت زي كونه خانة أزهون activity زهونة إن شاء الله ناي painting دي ناي جلسي عايز أنا نبزح سلزلوس نحنا بعدنا تي resources فلينا عندك ناس push كنقبرو تجيزي أمس خد مالس كتحزون أنتي. Thank you, Noel. I always. Thank you so much.